Hello and welcome. In this short, we're going to talk about derelict vessels sitting on the beach, high and dry, and a few nets also along the beach line of Hood Canal. Off of Hood Point, you have the hole in the wall. Nice little boat on the beach in that area. These places that I have all oranged out for you to see have vessels on them. A few on this side also, but not as many. And in this area of the Skoke, or Skokomish, however you want to say it, there's nets in the river that have been lost with what we call elk horns drifting down into the river with the current, and then it gets itself, because of the weight of it and the size, it hits that net and just makes now a mess. It's so heavy and large, it's almost impossible to get it out. It's just a mess. And so some areas are almost impossible to clean up, but we are aware of the problem, and we try to make sure that these nets don't continue to fish once they are lost. Vessels of all sizes are along this shoreline here, as you can see. It's amazing, isn't it? Hood Canal, down here at Hoodsport, located a real nice net along the shoreline, removed it. Moving up along all of these areas, is there was lots of lost crab pots, shrimp pots. One area in particular is these two seagulls are racing side by side as we bring up this abandoned shrimp pot in 180 feet of water, and it's loaded with these crabs. And we start shaking them free, and these seagulls see that. Instead of flying down next to the boat, they start racing after us. And I got a pretty good shot of them. Check this out. Oh, the winner. Wait till you see what happens. Crazy, isn't it? Wildlife in action. Until next time, everyone, be careful out on the waters. Always watch your weather. And thank you for being a part of thokefilm YouTube channel. And I welcome you new viewers. And if you have anything at all that I can assist you with, of something new, let me know by my email, thokefilm@yahoo.com. Thank you. Bye-bye, everyone.